Welcome. In this video I'm going to do a review and show a little bit about the US Optics tactical scope 3.2 to 17 by 44. As you probably know, US Optics is one of the last and really a few optical companies that still produces scopes in the US. It is extremely rare in Europe. Some people say that due to this rareness, it has an amazing cool factor among the tactical or tactical community. So in general, tactical shooters consider these scopes to be something special. Like I told you, this model is for medium range. It goes from 3.2 magnification all the way to 17 and has a 44mm objective lens. It has an unusual design, as you can see, with a little bit special turret arrangement. The elevation turret, the windage turret, which is capped, the Illumination turret for the illuminated reticle, and the parallax turret. Usually we see this arrangement on European classical tactical scopes a little bit different. US optic scopes are also very well known about their mechanical quality, very robust, reliable, and usually have excellent tracking. What is special with this model is that you can see that the tube is made from two parts. It is assembled here. This is highly unusual, but if I consider all the information gathered on the internet, I would say that this doesn't pose any special problem, because I haven't heard any rumors that this two parts tube would have any kind of problems. In general, this scope is quite big, especially if we consider the 44mm objective lens. It is 42 centimeters long. This is really almost extremely long for a scope with a 44mm objective lens. It weighs a little bit less than 1 kilogram, 950 grams, so it's also a heavy scope, but like I mentioned, it's very durable and robust. It has really smooth fast focus. Also the magnification ring is really smooth, so you have a good feeling of quality. Everything is made out of metal, no rubber anywhere. And the parallax, as you can see, it works really nicely. It has a nice feel. It goes from 50 yards to infinity. So all in all, a really high quality product. All US optics scopes are front focal. This particular model is mil-mil. That means that the reticle subtensions are in mils or milliradians, MRAD. And also the clicks are in mils. So in MRADs, that means 1 centimeter per click of a reticle movement on 100 meters, 1 centimeter. The scope comes with 10 years of warranty and with a really nice manual where everything is described and shown, and you have a special data sheet for your ballistical curve at the end of the manual. What is also special with this scope is that it offers really great resolution and at maximum magnification. This is something that you immediately noticed. But on the other hand, the field of view with 8.5 meters at a lower magnification isn't really big. The turrets, the elevation turret, it's called Reticle. It offers nice audible click, which are crisp. It's also very big, so you can easily use it with hand gloves. And it has 11 mils of travel per 1 revolution. I would really like to see it that it would have 10 mils, but also 11 people can live with this. The windage turret is capped, as you can see it here. Also everything made from metal. Again, really nice positive feel. and as you can see, approximately 5.5 mils of travel in each direction, left or right. Both the turrets can be set to 0, but there is no zero stop, which is unusual on a scope of this price class. This is the highest price class. And there is also no turn indicator, mechanical turn indicator, like with other scopes of this class. The reticle is always located in the first focal plane, so here in front. It magnifies with rays of magnification, and it always holds the same subtensions with all magnifications. A usual tactical setup. It's always illuminated. As you can see here, the illumination controls are really easy. You have an on and off button and then plus and minus, so you can digitally control the illumination brightness or intensity. It can be seen also in bright daylight, but it is usually meant only for low light use, so it's nicely dimmable. And with reticles you can get a big number of different reticles in this scope. This particular one has a Horus Vision H102. You can see also here it's written Horus Vision patent, but you can also get other less crowded, I will say, reticles, like similar to Mil-Dot and Mil-Hash and so on. They have their own styles. These scopes are highly customizable. You can choose different kind of turrets, different kind of colors, different kind of reticles. So a truly tactical scope. If I make a short summary, I think that the main factor to buy such a scope, it's not only the quality of build, which is on a really high level, but especially if you don't wish to follow the crowd. Everybody buys, at least on this side of ocean in Europe, buys Schmidt & Bender or Kahles or Minox from tactical scopes, or Steiner Military. Not a lot of US optics scopes are found around. So if you buy such a scope, you definitely stand out. It really has an amazing cool factor in Europe. What I don't like so much is that the field of view is quite narrow, that the scope is really big for this objective lens diameter and heavy, and it could have the zero stop and turn indicator if we judge it on the price. Regarding optics, I would say that if you use it at high magnification for, let's say, long range shots, it really performs well, since the resolution and brightness is really good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, visit our webpage. If you have any kind of questions, send us an email or use comments.